Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have an exciting bundle sitting on my desk and I am very eager to get into these. But before I do that, I need to show you guys the sneak peek of the cutting dies that will be available for the June release soon. And I have many to show you. And this is a really another fun theme. The first set I have here is the shadow word set. It is a really pretty font style, as you can see. This one is called the holiday word set, and you get words like holiday, vacation, beach, sunshine, relaxing, and sunset. Then we have the more detailed part with the stitching details all around. This one is called the beach words number 2, and you get words like pool day, beach, sun, wanderlust, hip hops, seashells, sun-kissed, waves, cocktails, and sand. So many wonderful pieces, and you can even mix and match things with both set as well. We also have this one here. This one is called Beach Words number 3. Of course, you don't have to get them all, but you can decide which word set has all of the words that you would like to create more in. But of course, if you get all of the word sets as well, you will have plenty of options. This beach word number 3 has words like ocean wave, seaside memories, beach bound, sunshine days, and weekend gathering. Really nice words. Then we have this one here. This is another really elegant style font set, and this one is called the baking words. So this one has words and it's got 2 sheets of cutting dies in here. See? And then this one has words like sweet treat, treat yourself, sweet bake, delicious, sugar, birthday sprinkles, baking treats, baked with love, and sugar crush, and yum. So you can use this for your Christmas baking, your birthday baking, birthday theme happy mail. So many things you can use it for. Even Halloween, I'm pretty sure. Treat yourself could be a good Halloween word. Sweet treat. And we have this really pretty bag. This has 3 sides of the cutting dies included, and it gives you so many options. It's also got a bow included in here, and you can see all of the special elegant details. Another thing I would like to mention of Scrapdiva Designs cutting dies, they are really good quality cutting dies. And when you see intricate details like this, you start to tend to wonder if it's going to cut well or not. It really, really does. And this one is called the Party Box Mini Album. So the Party Box Mini Album has many sets. I hope you remember that one. This one here is a rosette set, but not only do you make the rosettes with this plate here, but it also gives you this part here where you can add to your rosette as a layering piece, or you can use this bit separately for your embellishment clusters. And this one is called the Diamond Rosette. Then we have this one here. Now, when I first got the package opened, my son said, are they fidget spinners? Well, why not? You can use these for fidget spinners, I'm even thinking, for Halloween. Who knows? But this is a flower set. This is a layering flower set, and it's called the Frilly Anemone Flower. Then we have this one here, and this reminds me of fireworks. So this could be another flower that you could use for Halloween time as well, I'm thinking. But it gives you various sizes that you can layer together to make it really dimensional and pretty. And this one is called Spring Flower. We also have this one. I was excited to get this set here because my son loves anything to do with aviation, so I can make him like cards with this included. So this is an aeroplane shaker set, and it's called aeroplane shaker. And then this one here is like a layering piece with the aeroplane details, and this is called the airplane circles. So if you have family members, in the Air Force as well, it's perfect for you also. This, you guys, look how big this cutting dies is. I absolutely love it so much. This is called the Luggage Mini Album. I'm pretty sure this is going to be so super popular. So you have to purchase things when it's first released. Otherwise, you're going to have to wait for them to be restocked. So That is why I always tell you guys the name and for you to write it down so you know exactly which one you really want to grab. Then we have this really great size mini album set. This is another travel holiday theme, and this one has 2 sheets of cutting dies included with all of the layering pieces for this. You can already see a layering piece down here and up here, but there's more detailed layering pieces included inside. And this one is called Road Trip Mini Album. We have this one here. Now this is another wonderful set, I reckon, because it's got 2 sheets of nesting dies included. But this one is a stitch circle one that you see at the front. But inside there are it's like a doily design. Then we have this one here. So this one is great for Happy Mail gifting or for making shadow boxes. And this is called the A2 shadow box. But of course you can use this to make your gift box. You just have to cut this out, have a base layer to cover the back, and it becomes a gift box. This one here, this is another big size cutting die. And this one has many different sets with the 3 pages included of cutting dies. 3 pages. And this one is called Scalloped Mini Album. You guys know me, I love anything scalloped edge. And look at this ginormous set here. Oh my gosh. This is like a big journal book page. And you get the journal page with the hinge bits where you can add your ring binder clips and things. And it also gives you this lined piece to add to your pages as well. And you can even use this plate to make cards also, obviously. And this is called the journal page. This one is a humongous set. I absolutely love it. I do have a Sizzix Switch Plus, which helps me cut the big size like this with the big plate. So I do need to tell you that if you don't have a big cutting plate, you either go get yourself one, or this cutting die, you're going to have to maybe roll it twice. So just keep in mind. And this one is called Takeout Dinner Box. I can imagine myself making these one each for my 2 boys, and they're going to really love it if I actually did put some things inside. So, yep, there are many wonderful, exciting cutting dies included in the June release, and I wonder which sets you're going to be picking up or which sets you really are liking. You can always leave me a comment down below, and I greatly appreciate all of you for using my link and discount code in my description area. Thank you so much, everybody, for your continued support. I truly appreciate it so very much. Bye for now.